Today discuss about how to calculate the LCM by factor method. You know already I gave what is the condition for the prime factor method means express each number as a product of the prime factor. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Means what are the given number express the product of the prime factors. How to find the prime factors means each given number should be use the division method. Solution we have. What is the first number here? 12. So we are doing separately division method. So first number is 12. So start from 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are 3. So final remainder 1. Or prime number you should stop the division. Next number is 21. So 21. So 2 is not used by the 20. So next number is 3. 3 7 are 21. So 7 1 are 7. Next number is 24. So 2 12 are 24. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are 1. So each number should be use the division method. Next we write the product of the prime factor. So first which number is that? 12. 12. What is the factors? 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. So now 2 how many times repetition? 2 times. 2 square. 3 how many times repetition? Only 1 time. So 3 power 1. So now 12 write the express each number as a product of the prime factors. What is the prime factors? 2 into 2 4. So 3 is 12. So next which is the number is there? 21. So 21. What is the factors? 3 7 1. So 1 only 3 into 7. So now 3 only 1 time repetition. 3 power 1. 7 only 1 time repetition. Next 24 is the prime factors. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 2 how many times repetition? 3 times. So 2 cube. 3 how many times repetition? Only 1. So now express each number as a product of the prime factors. Then LCM is equal to now. Then LCM. So first how many numbers are appeared here? 2 is appeared. 3 is appeared. 7 is appeared. Now we write appeared the prime factors. The prime factors appears or so now how many prime factors appear here? How many numbers are appeared here? 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 7 is appeared. The prime factor that appeared are 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 7 is appeared. Everyone understanding? First one is to write the each number expressed as a product of the prime factors. Next, how many numbers have appeared? 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 7 is appeared. Next, then LCM is equal to LCM is equal to product of highest power of the all the factors. So 2 is appeared. In 2 is appeared, which is the highest power? 2 is appeared, which is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So 2 cube. Which number appeared next one? 3 is appeared. In this 3, which is the highest power? Only 1 is the highest power. So 3 power 1. Next one. Which number is appeared? 7. So now in this 3, 7 is appeared. What is the highest power? Only 1. So 7 power 1. Everyone understood? Then LCM is equal to product of highest power of the all the factors means each every element you should write the highest power. Then only these 3 elements are appear. One is a 3, one is a 2, one is a 7. Product of the all the numbers you should take highest power of the all the factors. Then 2 is appeared. 2 is the highest power. What is that? 3. So 2 cube next. 3 is appeared. 3 is the highest power. What is that? Only 1. So 3 power 1. Another number is a 7 is appeared. What is the highest power? 1. 3 power of 1. So now 2 cube. 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 cube can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 3 power 1 value is 3 only. 2 जा 8, 8 3 जा 24, 24 2 जा 24 7 जा 168. You understanding? Each number we are doing the division method. After that, each number should be writing the product of the prime factors. After that, how many prime factors happen here? 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 7 is appeared. Finally, LCM is equal to product of highest power of the all the factors. So now, product of the highest power of. So there are 3 numbers appeared. 2 is highest power of 3, 3 is appeared. Power is only 1, 7 highest power is 1. So now 2 is highest power of 3, 3 highest power only 1, 7 highest power is only 1. 2 cube value is 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 7 is 168. So everyone understanding? It is clear. The next question. Next question. The next question, very important question. Very important question. Second one, find the LCM of. So find the LCM of. Find the LCM of 15 and 25 by factor method. Second question is, find the LCM of 15 and 25. Here also they give only 2 numbers. The 2 numbers we are doing separately division method. So we have first which number is 15. 15 is not divisible by the 2. Thus we are taking 3. 3 is divisible. 3 5 is 15. 5 1 is 5. So finally remainder one you are getting. So stop the division. What is the second number? 25. So now 25, 2 is not usable, 3 is not usable, 5 is the other. Thus we are taking 5. 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. So now everyone, the ones are given 2 numbers separately doing the division. Next to write the product of the prime factor. So first what is the number is there? 15. So what is the factors? 3 into 5. So 3 only one time is repetition. 5 is only one time repetition. Next second number is only 5. What is the factors? Factors is 5 into 5. 5 how many times is repetition? 2 times. The how many numbers are appeared? 3 is appeared, 5 is appeared. Only 2 numbers are appeared. That's why you write the 5 factors that appears are only 2 numbers. One is a 3, another one is a 5. 3 on 5. Next to calculate LCM. What is the next one? Product of highest power of the all the factors. Here how many numbers are appeared? 3 is appeared, 5 is appeared. 3 what is the highest power? Only 1. There are 2 numbers are appeared. There are 2 numbers is appeared. 3 is what is the highest power? Only 1. Next 5 is appeared. 5 is what is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. So 3 power 1 is 3. 5 square value is 25. 3 into 25 is 75. You understood? Each number you are doing separately division. After that, each number you are writing the product of the prime factors. Then how many numbers are appeared here? 3 and 5. So 2 numbers only appear. Then LCM is equal to product of the highest power of all the factors. Everyone understood? It is clear. Next, third question. So very important third question. So important. 16, 24 and 36. So very important question. How to find the LCM of 16, 24 and 36 by factor method. Same before question. How to do same like we are doing here. So first number is 16. So separately division method you are doing. 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4, 2 1 are. The remainder one you are getting stop the division. Second number is 24. The 2 is possibility, 2 12 are, 2 6 are, 2 3 are, 3 1 are. The next is 36. 2 18 are, 2 9 are, so 9 is only 3, 3 3 are, 3 1 are. So each every number should be using the divisor factor. After write the prime factors. First number is 16. What is the prime factor elements? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 how many times repetition? 4 times is the repetition. Second number is 24. What is the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 how many times repetition? 3 times. 3 what how many times repetition? Only 1 time. Next is 36. Factor is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 2 how many times repetition? 2 times. 3 how many times repetition? 3 square. Here how many prime numbers are appeared? One is a 2 is appeared, another one is a 3 is appeared. Only here 2 numbers are appeared. Therefore the prime numbers appear. The prime factors that appears or 2 and 3. Then LCM. Then LCM is equal to how many numbers are appeared here? 2 and 3. Product of the highest power of the all the factors. One is 2 only appeared. One is the 2. Another one is the 3. 2 what is the highest power? So 4 is the highest power. 2 to the power of 4. 3 what is the highest power? 3 square. Square is the highest power. So now 2 to the power of 4. What is the value? 16. How will come 16 is 2 to the power of 4 can be less. 2 you can write multiply with the 4 times. So 2 square value is 16. 3 square value is 9. 16 by the 144. The LCM of 16, 24 and 36 is the 144. They everyone understood? It is clear. Each number should be using the division method. After that, we should write the each number expressed as the prime factors. After that, here how many numbers are appeared? Only 2 and 3. So LCM is equal to highest power of the all the factors. Here how many numbers are appeared? 2 and 3. So product of the 2 and 3 is appeared here. In these two numbers, which is highest power? 3, 4 is highest power. That's why I take 2 power of 4. 3 which is highest power? 3 square. So 2 power of 4 value is 16. 3 square value is 9. 16 9 is 144. The LCM of 16, 24 and 36 is 144. Everyone understood? It is clear. Next question. The fourth one. The next one, fourth one. This one also important question. 40, 72 and 135. So first of all, each number we are doing the division method. So first number is we have first number is 40. The 40 divided by 2. So first number is 2. 2 20 is 40. 2 10 is 20. 2 5 is 10. 5 1 is 5. The next number is 72. 70 divided by 2 is the possibility. So 2 36 is 72. 2 18 is 36. 2 9 is 18. 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. The next number is 135. So 135 is divided by 3. 3 4 is 12. 15 is there. 3 5 is 15. So 3 1 is 3. Remaining 15 is there. 3 5 is 15. So 3 5 is 15. 5 1 is 5. So now each number we are doing separately division number. After that we should write the each number as product of the prime factors. First number is 40. What is the prime factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 should write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So now here 2 how many times repetition? 3 times. The 5 how many times repetition? Only 1 time. So second number is 72. So what is the factors? We should write all the factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 how many times repetition? 3 times. 3 how many times repetition? 3 square. The third number is 155. What is the factors? 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Write the factors. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. 3 how many times repetition? 3 times. 5 how many times repetition? 1. Say how many numbers are appeared? 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 5 is appeared. So now, therefore, the prime factors that appears are 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, and 5 is appeared. Finally, to calculate the LCM. So finally, to calculate the LCM. So what is the LCM? The highest power of all the factors. Here, LCM is equal to how many numbers are appeared? 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 5 is appeared. Product of the 2 is appeared, 3 is appeared, 5 is appeared. Now, each and every number write the highest power of 2. What is the highest power? 3 is the highest power. So 2 cube. 3 what is the highest power? 3 cube is the highest power. So 5 highest power is what? 1. So now 2 cube value is 8. 3 cube value is 27 into 5. So what is the answer we getting? Can you calculate that one? So 2 cube value is 8. 2 cube value is 8. 3 cube value is 27. 5 power 1 is 5. So 8 into 27 into 5. What is the answer we getting? The answer is 1080. So therefore LCM of 40, 72 and 135 is 1080. The everyone understood? So what is the condition for the prime factor method means express each number as a product of the prime factors. Then LCM is equal to product of highest power of all the factors. All the factor means what are the numbers here appeared. So you should write what are the numbers appeared. Write highest product of the highest power of the all the factors. Product of all the factors. How many numbers appeared? 2, 3, 5 is appeared. That's why product of the all the numbers. After that we are taking highest power of the all the factors. 2 is highest power of 3 and 3 is highest power of 3. The 5 is highest power of is 1. The 2 cube value is 8. 3 cube value is 27. 5 power 1 value is 5 only. After product the these three numbers, finally we getting 1080. They don't understood how to solve the LCM by prime factor method. I think everyone understood. So next I will giving homework problems 3. Children you can solve the problems. Children you are not understanding, please ask me. I will explain it one more time. Okay? So I will write the problems on the board. Please everyone notice problems. The very easy method. So only each number should you write the prime factors first of all. How to calculate the prime factors already I explained. Each number you are doing the division method. After that each number you write the prime factors. After that how many numbers are appeared here? Take the appeared numbers. After that highest power we are taking. Right? Homework problems. Very important these three problems. So fifth problem. LCM of 12, 38 and 40. 6 1. Find the LCM of 30, 40 and 60 and 70. Next one is 7.